Hey, this is Donnie in Rogue River, and up for sale is my 1973 BMW R75 red, looking good, running, turnkey. Not a perfect bike, not a fully original bike, but it's a nice looking, nice running bike. It's got new exhaust headers there. Seats in good condition. Paint appears to be original. Not 100% perfect, but pretty darn nice. Pretty clean bike. A little over 43,000 miles on it. Tack works. Little chip there. That could be filled in or painted, whatever. Alright, we'll start it up so you can hear it. Purrs like a kitten. Let's go down the road. Alright. Contact me with any questions.